Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Tuesday, May 26. The time is around 4:30 a.m. GMT. So today we will be updating the chart of Apple. This is a 30 minutes chart. Okay, so let's take a look here. We have a wave 4 ended at the 299.78. So that means we are currently going up as a 5 waves impulse because this is a wave 4. Now of course the short-term chart does not show you everything, but you know that this is some sort of an impulsive move from the lows, and this is the wave 4. Now that also means we are currently within the wave 5, and wave 5, as you know, should subdivide into 5 waves, and you have 1 of 5 here, you have 2 of 5 here, so you have 1 of 5, 2 of 5, and now looking for possibility that we can already resume higher in 3 of 5. You can also see 1 of 5 again subdivides into another impulse structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in black, and then the black here, 3 and 5 in black, subdivide into another impulsive structure. So this is illustration of fractal, right? Fractal, the smaller waves, they basically group together and form the bigger wave, and so on. So now we have this 1 and 2 already in place, and that means as far as we stay above this 2, we can continue to see more upside. Now we could be ending this 1 of 3 soon, doing a pullback, then higher again. Now for this view to get the confirmation we need, we do ideally break above this 1 in red. So if we do get a break above 1 in red, that should confirm that this 2 in red is really in place, and that means we have already continued to go higher. Alright, now until it breaks above with 1 in red, we could technically do a double zigzag like this, which is a bigger 3 swings, and then from there we can go higher again afterwards, right? But for now we took the more aggressive view, calling the 2 completed. This is based on 3 swings here. You can see WXY 3 swings, and then finishing at the equal leg area, 100% extension. Now you can clearly see here this pullback is not an impulse here. This is clearly 3 swing. So anybody who thinks this is bearish market, then that's not correct, because you can see this pullback is clearly corrective, right? The bulls remain totally in control of the market right now, and we should be looking to extend higher. Now some of the major index has actually broken above this peak, like the Dow futures already broke this peak. The DAX from Germany already broke this peak, and so on. So we should be able to extend higher in Apple. Now let me zoom out a little bit to give you a context of what we're looking here. Now remember, this is a wave 4, so if I look at the daily, now there is no label here, right? There is no label here. This is to give you a context, to give a better view of where we are. So this is obviously in the COVID-19 sell-off, as everybody knows. We bottom on March 25th. Okay, now let's see from there. It looks now this is a 4, which is what we show here, 4. So if this is a 4, then clearly this is a 3, right? There's nothing, I mean, that's the only way to do it, right? This is a 4, this got to be a 3. So now if you look at it from March 23rd, now anybody who is honest would say that the structure looks impulsive, right? If you are honest, this looks impulsive. You wouldn't try to label this as a corrective structure like ABC, or some sort of double zigzag or anything. This looks pretty impulsive. Now this, on the other hand, looks corrective. 1, 2, 3. This is nothing more than a 3 swing, but this looks impulsive, okay, in Apple. Now you can technically already count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So technically you might say, well, we already finished a 5 waves from March 23rd, but yet we still broke above this 3 right now, right? We still broke above this 3. So technically we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got a 7 swing, in fact. So there are a couple of different ways you want to label this. You can either, okay, does it make sense to label this as a 5 waves, end it here as a wave 1 or wave A, and then this is your wave 2? Well, that looks to be too shallow to be a 1 and 2 here. So what can be other ways to label this? Well, another way to label this is actually a nest. So in other words, if you have a 1 2 right here, right, so that means we could be actually nesting. This is a 1 2 and then 1 2 1 2. So this could be your overall move here. It could be only a wave 3 from the March low. So this could be a higher degree 1 2, and we could be nesting right now in Apple, which is the implication is pretty bullish, right? Pretty bullish. So it could be 1 2 1 2, and then we are about to end the wave 5 here, which is also wave 3 here, and then after that we're still gonna have a few more high. So it will continue to be supported, looks like. And shorter cycle though, okay, shorter cycle, all we care about is shorter cycle in the chart of the day, is simple. As far as the pullback stays above this low 299, we should be expecting another leg higher. So let's say if it fails to break above here and do double, we should be expecting buyers here, as long as we stay above 299, which is the larger degree 3 swing, to go higher again. If we break above 1, that should confirm this view, and then that means this 2 is already completed, and then we have already resumed the upside, okay, to the next target here. Alright, so hope that is clear, and please do like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And as always, if you do want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video below. I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day to you all.